Dunai duna kala yat nadu kesngi baka kong Jylla rangat kala bu dak ejahar persya ya webar jelau bala tip kerteng kumu akash sagar naga jingpen priang jong u yaki video ki bala kenno wanra jing soya pher jinget nyam kata dak ba let po yaki kristan ham maulenong henrei hadu mentang ngim pat yo ya ka jing tip ba hadu ha ai ka jing toket ki pulet kala poi bat hatu kila yon ban kem yo new bar Jylla Komta ban yo ek jingtep ke babnya haka arpoi terigu kala lengkot arjar pusan Shillong Mail ula yo ban yakran bat ka kong Jylla rangat kabala pen pau baka don ka jing suki na gibor pulet ban toket ya kani ka jingja ya ka ba hadu menta kim pat la ban kem yo new briu haba pen pau ya kadi Shillong Mail ka kong Jylla rangat kala ong baka daw jang ka jing suki halor ka jing toket kala bandai namar baki pulet kin haban up ya ka jing menjur na gibor bahalor haswa ban le ya kanu ka kam
don kata ka jing suki sanimo jing sisakat kum ka an related pihapan file charge sheet hakat to kan ni kisngi pihap produce you breu ndai kini kimpur mo ya ka an but ngatharai ka shongru hakini ki investigating officer bakibu mo hakino ginu ki case ndai overall pare the buck will stop with the SP or the DGP lada ka biang kani ba kini ki la ban pentrai kam ni kitu ki badai ban trai kam kan yat ka kam they also ngatrai ka even done a certain independence ki bodies bakin tray te handai le se shane ka don ka jing nongkum no up jing betha naki politicians jing ni ngashu ong ta le se ka de ka daw namar ba kum pi ong balai ka suki te ngikin tu ki bakin long mo independent bakin tray ka kam kat kumbala benrap yaki mo ya ka bor haki te katuka case ka banga file halor katuka jing le ba nyu tubri hatuka Ïingmane ha maulen nong ru hadu mentala si benai ndrengi ngimpat yo snow ba kira kem tubri kan ayu jing kisah haba utubri lu dong long active mentah katuka account ula post syu ru ki ndre nang ni per kimpat la tang man kem yu ka mamut iyo
hatuki lapan statement napi habai de bukannya
she seen I phone I wei I o jong ka penurslang aklam dan chani Jylla ndrengal ongi I ba hapo katukat ningsingan wan phai biang te ila dei ka kamram jong I ba in phone biang nga ban khot ban I statement ndre hadu ban ta impat ko
Nalor kata kalau ong ru bakal wat jing tip nau SP bat kum jo ru na ka DGP habaya day bat kani ka jing toket henrai hadu menta kampat yo jing tip I ru bat benrap bakal long ka Jinglehraiñ ya ka Jylla bat ka Sorkar bakam la ban kem yo nu bar Jylla ubadang yat latlan hadu menta
I have followed up with the SP. I have also sent texts to the DGP, but I don't have information of what actually has happened to that FIR and how far the investigation has moved. And it's very unfortunate because what has happened instead is almost as if this person has got free publicity from us in Meghalaya, because he very arrogantly used that incident and again created a new reel and reposted some more things. So the question is, why should it be so difficult to apprehend this person, including those others who were aiding him? And I think the public ought to know, there's such bad PR from the side of the police and the government, because they ought to keep the public informed. And by doing this, by actually not informing, ignoring the situation, they're making a fool of themselves. The single person coming from somewhere can take this whole state for a ride and use this whole incident to promote himself further. It's such a shame. It's a shame to our investigating agencies, to our government. And it is a very serious thing that he did. It's not just a one-off thing. So a state government especially should have actually taken this issue very seriously, but they seem to be pandering to the powers that be perhaps, and again it's left to us public to follow up, to do what has to be done. But from my end, I have filed the FIR, I will follow up, and we have to see a logical end to this, no?
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.